Welcome to Mawson Station, Antarctica. I'm Shane Ness and this is Tattered Passport. Antarctica is a magical place. Its raw, natural beauty, its remoteness, and its ability to bring the best out of everyone who visits here. But it's not always perfect. Antarctica is a wild, untamed, natural environment. And that is one of the reasons why I come here. It is unpredictable, and here you can feel and see the full force of Mother Nature. Working in this environment brings some very unique challenges. Simple things like not leaving your tools lying around. They'll either freeze or blow away. Your drinking water freezes in its bottle. And simply, getting to work can be an adventure. This day, I needed to get to work in a blizzard. It's blowing between 40 and 60 knots, which is about 70 to 110 kilometers an hour. With the blowing snow, our visibility is less than 100 meters. This puts us in the field travel condition of caution, meaning we are restricted to station limits only, and we should consider calling ahead before we go outside. Here I'll walk from the emergency vehicle shelter to the operations building. A short, couple of 100-meter walk. If there is anything you'd like to know about my life down here, please comment below and I'll see if I can do a video about it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. One life, one search. Peace out.